Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete your multiple posts from your Instagram. So you can easily manually delete your post on Instagram one by one by tapping on these three dots. From here you can easily able to delete. So if you want to delete multiple post from your Instagram in single tap, so for this guys, just tap on your profile picture in the bottom right side corner like this, and here on the top right side corner you can get three lines. Just tap on it. From here you can get option your activity, just tap on it. Okay, and here you can get the option photos and videos, just tap on it, and here you can get post, reels, video. So just tap on post, and here you can get your all Instagram post. If you want to bulk delete multiple posts from your Instagram, just tap and select your post which you want to delete like this. After this guys, here you can get one delete option, just tap on delete. So in single tap you can easily delete your multiple posts. Same thing, if you want to delete multiple reels in single tap, go to reels section. From here select your reels and delete it. Okay, same thing, go to your videos, select your videos to delete. That's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method to delete multiple bulk posts from your Instagram in single tap. If you don't see this option, so go to Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. After updating you can also easily do this. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. Please guys, don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.